Can we imagine a world where classrooms are not just confined to textbooks and blackboards, but extend to cutting-edge technology that redefines the very essence of learning? Welcome to the 3D Printing Academy UK, where we turn this vision into a reality. Firstly, we foster creativity from the very beginning. In our academy, the youngest minds are given the freedom to transform their imaginative ideas into physical, 3D printed creations. From crafting vibrant characters to creating their very own toys, we ignite a passion for innovation right from reception. Secondly, we build a strong foundation in STEM education. As students grow, we ensure that they grasp the fundamentals of science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and design. Our courses weave 3D printing into the curriculum, turning abstract concepts into tangible realities. Thirdly, we help develop critical problem-solving skills. As students ascend into secondary school, our courses push them to think critically and solve problems. Whether it's designing a functional device or tackling real-world issues, we mold students into confident innovators and inventors. Fourthly, we bridge the gap between imagination and reality. Our courses enable students not just to dream big, but also to actualize their ideas. This fusion of concept and creation is a game changer in education, fostering a sense of ownership and empowerment. Fifthly, we align learning with future career paths. In a world where 3D printing is transforming industries, our courses equip students with practical skills that align seamlessly with the evolving workforce. Sixthly, we offer a proven path to engagement. Our courses captivate students at every level, turning learning into an exciting adventure rather than a mundane task. Seventhly, a partnership with us promises more than just courses. We work collaboratively with schools, providing support for teachers, integrating 3D printing into the curriculum, and enhancing learning outcomes. The future of education is here, and it's time to embrace it. At the 3D Printing Academy UK, we are committed to unlocking the potential within each student. Our 3D printing courses are not just classes, they are gateways to a brighter, more innovative future. Join hands with us, prepare our students for success, empower our schools, and infuse learning with a sense of wonder and discovery. Partner with the 3D Printing Academy UK and unlock the future today.